Hi guys, this is Rael. This Matthew again is our fifth strategy for today. We place one trade here, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. This is the fifth strategy for today. We're going to drop 3 strategies on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel today. Subscribe to this channel to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today on this channel. You can see we won that trade there, and before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boat for deriv.binary.com, this is the boat right there. The boat is just 9.99 USD, just 9.99 USD, and you can see some of the results right there. The version 6.5 is out already. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is another effective trading boat. It's automated and it works on both Binary.com and Deriv interface, and is just 7.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits, and you can see some of the results right there. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binarypipsreaper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. So here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. As the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. So let's get back to the trading. We are using the web trader, and we've logged in. So once you log into webtrader.binary.com, you go to trade, you open the synthetic indices, Volatility 25 index, then you go to the trade type, you click on touch, no touch, then you choose no touch, then you set the durations to 5 ticks, then you set the barrier offset to plus 0.323, then you enter the payout, depends on what you have in your account. I'm going to be changing this to 20, so if you have enough funds in your account, you can stake higher, or let me just change it to 20, okay, 21, okay. So the return is 17.4%. So we are going to open the chart as well. You go to chart, then once you open the chart, synthetic indices volatility 25 index chart. So you go to time interval, then you click on 1 tick. So that thing has to be on 1 tick, the time interval. Then this will be here by default, so you have to push it right here for you to be able to see the movement of this chart. So this thing has to be up before you click on purchase. So let's wait for it to rebound and go right up. So the edges has to be up before you click on purchase. So just watch carefully. You can see it's down. So once it jumps right up, we're going to be clicking on purchase. Okay, you can see it's up right there. Okay, you can see we won that trade already. We won that trade, so make sure you watch the chart carefully before you place the trade. So we have to drop another strategy now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels, especially this channel. Subscribe to this channel because we're going to drop 3 strategies today. Just subscribe to the channel to watch all the strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.